Is it recording?
It's recording.
It's recording. Bad fishy. Bad fishy. Bad fishy.
Come
Oh
on.
my gosh, come on. Is it coming? I know
Yeah.
sea fish.
You're
Oh my god.
Oh my G.
Oh my gosh. Ew. Oh my god. Are you about to eat that?
No, we're not allowed to keep them.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, it's slimy.
Ew, that's so stinky. Watch where you touch it.
It doesn't sting.
Yeah, they do.
It's a catfish.
Yeah, they do.
Their whiskers do.
I'm scared.
Mom said they don't.
Wait, where do I touch it?
Ew, Mariah.
I'm scared. Ew.
Their whiskers sting?
Oh my gosh, it's gonna sting you, sir.
Sir.
Don't tell me you're gonna break it. What if it stings you?
These things right here,
Yeah.
those are what sting. Those prongs.
Aren't they about to touch you? Ew, where's it?
Why don't you eat that?
I thought his
whiskers stung.
Ew.
OMG!
Where's his hand? What is it?
Wait, Mommy said that she wants to see it.
All right.
You better go tell her.
We're not going up
It's
there.
huge. How did you bake it?
Rat and meat.
Lamb meat.
Lamb.
We had some lamb chops that went bad, so.
Ew. So you brought them?
Yeah,
use them
for fish
catfish
bait. Just right there, you to jump in.
They like meat.
OMG.
It's like gagging.
It's like,
Is it gonna die?
no.
Ew! Ow! Poor fish.
Oh, that did hurt.
Eat it.
It looks like that.
Dump it in the water.
I'll put it in the net and then keep it in the water, so don't
Okay.
die.
I've never seen. I thought
I've never seen one. I thought our catfish was big.
Yeah.